Good afternoon, folks. It's Crazy Ira again from Firkins Chrysler Jeep and Dodge in Bradenton. I just took in a gorgeous 2015 Jeep Grand Cherokee Limited. As you can see, matte steel in color. It's got tan leather interior. It has an 8.4 screen, has a backup camera, seating for 5. It is a 4-wheel drive. It has 20-inch tires and wheels. It has 4-wheel disc anti-lock brakes. This is a one-owner car. It has a clean Carfax. It has a trailer hitch on the back. It will be a certified car. And by the way, folks, this is a diesel, which is a rare find to begin with. It will get you up to 28 miles per gallon on the highway, has dual power seats, Bluetooth for your cell phone. This vehicle only has 26,704 miles on it. You will only find this car at Firkins. It's the summer of Jeep, folks. And if you want a scorching deal, you got to call me. Ira Salem, 845-304-3914. Find it at Firkins.